I see people that they think a lot about very small decisions. Okay, and this should not be there. For example, let's say when you go to a restaurant with your friend, then both of them like, so what to order whatever. Generally people do not decide because they fear taking the responsibility. People say me, yes, but it's also about the other person. We care कि वो क्या खाएगा या वो क्या पिएगा. Great, we should ask once. So what are you looking forward to eat today? You ask. If the person says great, otherwise you can go ahead, because you two have come there to spend some good time together. Whether the food will good or bad, that won't be a major factor. You have come to a place, and generally when you go to a place these days, you decide, come by reference, see the Google. So after that you have come to the place. But many people hesitate taking that even small decision, and those who hesitate, यहाँ पे confidence building नहीं हो पाएगा. Rather, if somebody who wants to build confidence, start taking small decisions of your life. What to wear, what to eat, take very small decisions. ये तो रिवर्सिबल है, कोई टेंशन का बात नहीं है, बट ये तुमको कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्डिंग में बहुत ज्यादा हेल्प करता है. सो नेक्स्ट टाइम व्हेन यू आर गोइंग समवेयर आउट विथ योर फैमिली, विथ योर फ्रेंड, go ahead, take the menu, decide for them, take the responsibility.